Hello everyone, welcome to Take Bro. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to write for loop through a range. Suppose I'm going to write a list of number from 0 to 9. For that I will write for num in range 10 and then print num. I'm going to run it. So here we have from 0 to 9, but I have 10 here because it's also count the value of 0. This is how you can print anything using a range. That's it for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.